What do the different symbols of the LGBTQ+ community mean? The most popular visual representation is the rainbow flag, which has 6 colors and has been used since the 70s. But you might be surprised to learn the history of other LGBTQ+ symbols that have been used to represent diversity, strength, and the fight for equality. What was there before the rainbow flag? The first symbol that was used to represent the LGBTQ+ community and directly reference homosexuality was discriminatory. During the Nazi regime, different triangular patches were used to identify, segregate, and deport people to concentration camps. In the case of homosexuals, the pink triangle represented men and the black triangle women. Starting in the 70s, the community tried to reclaim this shape, appropriating the symbol to give it new meaning and make it synonymous with the unity of the LGBTQ+ movement. In 1980, the ACT UP Association rotated the pink triangle to symbolize the active fight against HIV/AIDS. And in the 90s, the black triangle was included on the lesbian flag. With these adjustments, they turned a symbol marked by suffering and exclusion into a powerful expression of community and mutual support. All of this without changing the original design. The activist Gilbert Baker designed the rainbow flag in 1978 using 8 colors, but the one that was popularized in 1979 uses only 6. The red signified life, the orange healing, the yellow light, the green nature, the blue serenity, and the purple spirit. The 2 colors that were removed from the original flag were pink, which symbolized sexuality, and turquoise, which represented art. They disappeared because of how difficult it was to source fabric in those colors. But these colors were not lost completely, and in 1999, Monica Helms used them to create the trans flag. The pink, blue, and white flag was flown for the first time in 2000. According to its creator, the blue and pink represented the colors traditionally assigned to men and women, while the white in the center references transition and gender neutrality. In 2017, in the More Color, More Pride campaign, the Philadelphia Office of LGBT Affairs added 2 new colors to the rainbow flag. They added brown and black to include people of color. But there is still another symbol that isn't so widely known. In physics, the Greek letter lambda refers to the wavelength associated with energy. In 1974, it was internationally recognized by the International Gay Rights Congress as a symbol of collective energy. The value of knowing and using these symbols lies in the importance of empowering, supporting, and uniting a community that continues to be discriminated against because of their identity or sexual orientation.